What a wonderful world! Social media has shaken the world with its power. It has become the most powerful tool to achieve your dream of building an empire. That's why the next step and the most important one is to market your line via social media. Now that you're planning to launch a business, are you excited to start your own skincare line? Or are you in the process of building a website for your brand and wondering what to do next? Learn Canyon has come to your rescue. We have a step-by-step guide to launching your skincare and haircare business from scratch. Your most important step is to create a digital presence. Your customers identify with you when you show them the life of your brand. Market your product using Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and the million other platforms we can access. We'll tell you how to do it. For starters, create relatable content. Be the best version of your brand out there. Tell people what you're giving them and how can it make their life better. Organically create an audience and use other sources to reach the people you can benefit. They're looking for you. Support them and yourself to achieve beautiful skin and hair. What's your brand? What do you do? Talk to us so we can help you become better. We would love to encourage you and promote you. We can get you the network. Find and follow us on each of these platforms. We have wonderful things in store for you. Also, would you like a course on how to market your brand? Let us know in the comments below.